Miguel here and welcome to the channel. Well, on today's video I am going to show you how you can convert your euros or US dollars to any other cryptocurrency. Okay, and imagine if you fund your Binance account here with euros, US dollars, whatever your currency is, then this is the simple steps that you need to take to convert your funds into Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, whatever it is, okay? Don't forget, guys, down below to give that like and subscribe to my channel. And very important, guys, always this type of videos, never have financial advice, okay? And always do your researches. Now, let's go. Okay, so you need to, if you are doing this on your phone, like I'm showing you, you need to have the Pro version of Binance, first of all, okay? Actually, about Binance, you can join under me. I have a link that I will leave on the description, and you will get some benefits with it, okay? Now, what you need to do to acquire and to convert your euros, in my case, because I'm here in Portugal, all you need to do is you click on your wallets on the top right, okay? And if you have sent your funds to Binance, you will see them on your spot wallet. All right, then in here on your spot wallets, you will click there, okay? And you will see the balances that you have available there, okay? So euros, USDT, tron, whatever. In this case, I'm going to convert some of my euros, just a small amount for the purposes of this video, because I actually what I want to do is to withdraw these funds to my bank account, but I will do that in a separate video. All right, now if you want to convert your euros to USDT, you click on the euros balance here, and you see here on the top left trades. So you click on trades, and then you want to click on, you see convert and card. You want to convert your assets, in this case from euros to USDT. So the amount that I'm going to convert is, I'm gonna say 2.9. So I'm going to convert 2.9 euros to, in this case, not BTC but USDT, so USDT, all right? And you need to click on the bottom to preview conversion. So you click on there, and you can see from 2.9 euros you will get 3.13 USDT. You simply then need to click on convert, all right? You have just a few seconds to do this. You click there, refresh, and then click on convert, and there you go, guys, conversion successful. And now you will have the available. So back home, you can view the history if you want. Go back home and click back again, okay? And as you can see now, I have in my USDT wallet, you click there, and I have 4.01 USDT, because I had some USDT here, but it was like not even one USDT, and you can't convert to euros less or dollars less than one USDT. That's why I converted some euros to USDT, so that now I can send the whole amount back to my euro balance and then withdraw those funds to my bank account. Okay, so this is pretty simple. All right, pretty simple steps that you need to take. And if you think that this video was good for you guys, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, click the bell, turn on notifications, and as always, thank you so much for listening, and I will see you on the next one.